Guys, welcome back to our wonderful YouTube channel, Epic Ademi. Today is to show you guys the 4G smart box, fastest network. As you can see, here is the Mifi. So let me show you guys. Please follow me to the end of this video. This Airtel 4G Mifi. As you can see, please look it well. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. This is what you can connect from the Mifi directly to your laptops or to your Netflix if you are watching Netflix with it. Yeah, so here is the charger. You can charge directly, and forget, guys, let me bust your brain. You can even charge it. You can see, at least, even if they took off the light, or you have an interrupted power supply, you can continue using it with your battery. This is very great. This is interesting. Oh yeah, now the most interesting part of it is that this thing is super crazy fast. Come on, stop playing. See this signal bar, it can cover very wide area network. You can see am ba, small but mighty. No be one o, na two. You go face one to yourself, face the other one to the other side, no be lie. So if you want to know the setup or other question, kindly click on the number below this video. Reach me anytime. I'm here to reply you guys. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. If you have any question pertaining to your CUG SIM card, that's monthly subscription or other thing, you can message us as well. If you have any question related to your NIN or other stuff like that, we are here to attend to you guys. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.